Hello guys, here we have a Tecno Camon 18P, and today I will tell you a few things to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory in this device. So I am always starting from the simplest one way by just reset the Bluetooth connection. To do it, just open the settings, go to the more connections and choose Bluetooth. Here you can see now my Bluetooth is enabled, so we can restart it by this little slider. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to change the name of your device to give some refresh to the Bluetooth settings. After that, I recommend you to restart the device. Just hold the power button for it and restart your Bluetooth accessory again. The next way, just go back and go to the system, then look for the reset phone. Before resetting phone, you have to remember that a lot of Bluetooth accessories have something like a pair mode, and you have to be sure that it's visible for your phone. How to enable a pair mode, you will find it in the manual instructions to your device. So, if you still don't have your device in the Bluetooth list, just reset your Bluetooth settings by this button and look again. And the last one way is just updating system. If you have any updates for your system, for your phone, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, just check your phone and your Bluetooth accessory on other device to check which device making a problem. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and good luck.